Majority of our populations reside in rural areas, which have traditionally been considered low business return areas by investors. This scenario poses a serious challenge. As you well know, there is a proven direct correlation between access to communication services and levels of economic activity. With 40% of our population unconnected, attainment of development goals in most countries become difficult. Indeed, rural economic activity, and especially the agricultural value chain, remain unmaximized, leading to continued rural poverty. Furthermore, connectivity brings together or brings access to other services. For instance, before the advent of the mobile banking in Kenya, over 80% of the population was unbanked. Access to credit was therefore very low. Mobile money transfer has accelerated commercial transactions, increasing economic productivity. As I said earlier, today, mobile money transfer handles over 670 billion annually. That's in Kenya shillings. Much more than any bank in the region has been able to accomplish in many years. Strengthening the universal service initiative in each country, therefore, ensures connectivity for all people and accelerates progress towards optimizing the region's economic potential. I therefore strongly urge you to pursue this initiative with greater vigor.